You have the ability to rise higher, to go further, to accomplish more. You cannot wait for the feelings to come. You can create the feelings by acting the way you want to be.
I always have more than enough money. I make money every day. I have lots of money. I am affluent. I am wealthy. I am rich. I love money. Money loves me. Money comes to me. I'm good with money. Money is easy. Having money is fun. Money finds me. I attract money. Money is simple. I am always open to receiving money. I am prosperous. I enjoy money. I expect money. I deserve money. I am worthy of money. I earn money. I make money. It feels good having money. Money comes to me frequently and easily. Money makes my life easier. I have money to share. Money comes to me from everywhere. Money comes in all types of forms. I do what I love, and I make lots of money. I have multiple sources of income. I focus on having money. I am grateful for money in my life. I am a money master. I am great with money. I spend money wisely. I am able to save money. Money is in my mind. I imagine having lots of money. Money is good. Money comes to me every day. Money comes to me in all kinds of ways. Money piles up. Money is a blessing. I am blessed with money. I manage money wisely. I am able to handle large sums of money. I am comfortable with having money. Money pours in. I am abundant. There's money all around. Money is energy. I love the energy of money. I enjoy the freedom money brings. I am at peace with money. I am valuable. I am confident. I can have money. I do have money. I count my blessings. Money works for me. I manifest money. I have an endless supply of money. Money wants me. I am successful. We can all have money. It's safe to have money. I feel good about money. Money is a joy. I can have all the money I want. I am successful at everything I do. I enjoy